Today we're staying at the Kingsmill Resort in Williamsburg, Virginia. This is building 11. There are several buildings in the complex, and our building is right on the river. So there are little diagrams that show you where your rooms are going to be in each building. We are room number 5132 on the second floor, which is more like half a flight up. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Hello.
Hi, Tom. All right, so you walk in to a bit of a hallway that's going to open up into our king-size room. Now, if we take a look back down that hallway, you can see some doors on the end here, which appear to be connecting to the other units, so you could have a much larger suite of rooms. This door has a lock on it. It's probably maintenance. And this third door is the closet. Inside here, it's quite spacious. You got your suitcase stand, some hangers, ironing board iron, an ice bucket. Now, there is no ice machine here in the complex. You do have to walk over a couple of buildings to find an ice machine, but they do have them. The concierge assured us it's just a short walk. Inside the bathroom, you have a nice pedestal sink with some toiletries here, a couple of mirrors, and your toilet and shower area. Now, the shower has a nice tall shower head, so if you're tall like me, it's still going to be quite comfortable. Now, they do not have individual shampoos, it looks like. You do have to use the shared bottles there fixed to the wall, which is never fun, but it is what it is. That's the bathroom. And that brings us back to our king-size room. There's the bed. Lots of pillows, looks quite comfortable. You do have two nightstands, one with a telephone and pad. The one over here has an iHome radio system. The lamp has some plugs for easy reach. You do have a switch here by the bed for additional reading lights. Some nice artwork, chairs on both sides. You do have multiple seating options with a little table there. If you want to watch TV, here it is across from the bed. TV's a little small, but inside the unit here we do have a safe and a small refrigerator where you can store your own items. Doesn't come stocked. There are several drawers here, well, 3, that look quite deep, so there's plenty of room for your clothing. Over there we've got a desk and a mirror, a coffee machine with some individual coffee products. The concierge did give us several maps. Here's kind of an overview of the resort area. Again, there's some outlets there on the lamp, some artwork. And then let's take a look out the window, which is the best part of this room. Couple of blackout shades, pull out the curtains there, and voila, we have a patio with some chairs and a table. And look at that view of the river. This is the building that is closest to the river, it appears. And you're right by the little marina area there, so you're going to see the jet skis and boats leaving from the resort area here to play along this fabulous river. So that's it. That is the Kingsmill Resort King Room tour.